Hi, today I'd like to go over with you the business cycle. So what do I mean by the business cycle is you get assets. Now these assets that you put into your business could be your knowledge, could be your years of working and the knowledge that you put in, or it could be going and getting plant and equipment, purchasing that, and you can get that on finance. So with that, you go and do that and it turns into income. And with that income, you would have had expenses to get that income. So once you take off your expenses, that theoretically equals profit. Now, the profit we want to have turn into cash. The faster it can turn into cash is the better the business, really, because the things that affect having the profit turn into the cash are things like your stock. How fast can you turn your stock over into cash and into sales? The other thing is work in progress and accounts receivable or debtors. So how fast do your accounts receivable pay you? And then creditors is hopefully you're paying 20th of the following month, not straight away. So all those things, the faster that happens, your profit can turn into cash. But then we have these pulls on cash flow. So what are our pulls on cash flow? Some of those are good old tax, loan repayments, which are good, but they do pull on cash flow. Drawings, so the more drawings you take out, the more that pulls on your cash flow. And then assets. So assets, you can either refinance and get finance, or you can take it out from cash flow, and that pulls on cash flow. So what's left? What's left is owner's equity. Now, owner's equity is you can either reinvest it back into the business, that cash, or you can take it out as drawings. If you take it out as drawings, that can also be classed as like a dividend. So dividends can go as the profit distributed from the business. So the faster if you reinvest it back in, turns into assets or more assets, then we get more profit, turns into cash, and then you can either reinvest it or take it out. And then the faster you do that, the return on investment happens for you of reinvesting back into the business, and you actually end up with more cash. So that's the business cycle. Thank you.